Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to do some chicken drumsticks, kind of a barbecue sauce with Heinz 57 and probably some Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce. We're going to do it in my LSG pellet grill. Check out that cover. I'm going to have that on my Amazon store. I think it was only like 30 bucks. The one from Amazon, or that you can order, it's a Sunbrella or something like that, fancy one, $600 plus. This one was 30. We'll see how long it lasts. So first I got to take it off. I'll get this chicken prepared, show you the sauce. We'll get them in here on the pellet grill at 375 degrees and get these things going. Alright, the first thing you got to do with these drumsticks is take the skin off of them. They're a little bit slippery. You want to just pull them off and give you a little help. Use a paper towel and that'll get you a grip on them chicken skins off those drums. So just like that, we've got them skinned, and all I'm going to add is salt and pepper. Just want to salt and pepper one side, and we're going to get them flipped over. And salt and pepper the other side. It's that easy. Then we're going to take them out to the grill and get some smoke on them. Alright, the Lone Star Grillz pellet grill is up to temp. Just going to slide this top shelf out and we're going to get these drumsticks on here. Just going to lay them out. We're going to do 375 for 15 minutes. 15 minutes will give us a little bit of smoke on these chicken drumsticks. Close it up. We'll see you in 15. We're going to go inside and we're going to make our sauce. And what we're going to use is 1 cup of Heinz 57. I'm not going to use measuring cup. We're just going to eyeball it. Right about there looks like about a cup. The next item we're going to use is some Uncle Steve's, the sauce with no name, barbecue sauce. You can use whatever sauce you want. I love this sauce, so that's what I'm using. 1 cup of that. And we're going to use some honey. Now if I can get this honey out of this bottle, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. Just like that. That looks good right there. Okay, now I'm going to use a teaspoon of cumin. And then I'm also going to use a teaspoon of granulated garlic. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh. I don't mind using this. Just add that in. I'm sorry, that was a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're just going to whisk it together. Get my super fast hand mixer going. Just like that. Give it a taste, see if it needs anything. And I think it needs some chipotle pepper seasoning to get a little bit of spice into this. Just about a half a teaspoon. Get that back in the mixer and get that mixed up. And it's that easy. It's a really delicious sauce. Alright, let's do this. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to get these drumsticks out of the pellet grill and into this pan. If I can make them fit, I think I need to turn this one this way. And there we go. Got them all in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that sauce and I'm just going to brush the one side, get it all over all of them. Just like this. And then I'm going to stick it back into the pellet grill and we're going to go for 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, 10 minutes just like that. And we're going to pull these out and I'm going to get these turned over if I can get a hold of them. So we're going to flip these all over and then we're going to do the same thing as last time. We're going to get this sauce on the other side here. Just like this. Alright, let me hurry this up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go back in for another 10 minutes. And just like that, 10 minutes later. Look at that. Man, they already look good to eat, but they are not up to temp yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the rest of the sauce and I'm going to drizzle it over every chicken drumstick. Make sure they all get a nice coating. And once they're all covered and coated, then we're going to slide it back into this pellet grill and we're going to let these go for about whatever, 20, 25, 30 minutes, however long to get to the internal temp of, shoot for around 170, 175. And just like that, 25 minutes later, give these a check. Temp check. Oh, sorry, I didn't get my thermometer in there. They're temping at 175. So these are done. Pull those out and let you get a good look at them. Look at that. Now that's some delicious looking drumsticks right there. Okay, there's plated up with some rice pilaf, some peas and carrots. Now let's do a taste test. Okay, and there we go. Look at that nicely sauced drumstick. Now this sauce is not mine. I found it on Google, and I don't remember the name of the person that did it, but man, I think it was called Finger Licking Good Drumstick. So I'm like, I gotta check that out, right? The only difference is I did mine on the pellet grill, the Lone Star Grillz pellet grill, and I let it even at 375, I let it in there and get some smoke for the first 15 minutes. Okay. Anyway, let's take a taste test of this and see if it is finger licking good. Look at that. Okay. Man, that is some good sauce. A little bit tangy. Definitely finger licking good. Okay. Wow. Okay. You can definitely get the tanginess from the Heinz 57. You can use any barbecue sauce. I love the Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. So that paired really well, except it needed a little bit of heat, so I put that chipotle pepper in there, and I gave it just a little bit of heat. Man, it's really good. That sauce is amazing. All right, I could sit here and eat the whole thing. Sticky, delicious. That sauce with, like I said, the Heinz 57, Uncle Steve, the honey, the lemon, the chipotle pepper, the cumin. It all comes together for finger licking good drumstick. Thanks for watching. Give this one a try. You will love it. That's all I gotta say. Give it a try. If you like drumsticks, give it a try. It's something a little different than you probably usually make, and it's delicious. All right. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Come back and see me Mondays and Thursdays. All right. Have a great day.